Small medium enterprises, or SMEs, are considered to be one of the biggest influences on Malaysia's economic growth. SMEs in Malaysia highly contributes to the nation's gross domestic product, or GDP, providing up to 40% of the national income and more than 60% of total employment in emerging economies. However, SMEs in Malaysia today face a very important issue that prevents them from fulfilling their business needs and adapting to the Industrial Revolution 4.0 standards, which is Information Communication Technology Advancement, or ICT. SMEs' lack of knowledge in ICT greatly reduces their competitiveness in the market because their customers always want them to use new technologies that enables them to speed up the delivery of the services that they are providing. One of the main problems faced by SMEs offices are poor management of documents and files. With so many documents that firms need to process every single day, it can be very difficult to keep track of which documents belong to which client, and the employees need a lot of effort just to search for the desired document. One of the SMEs, an accounting firm named H2A Consultant Services, are facing similar problems that are slowing down their business operations. Since they don't have a system to sort their documents, they find it very difficult to categorize a document, whether it is an audit document, accounting, tax, etc., and also which clients it belongs to. The overall workflow of the office is very slow, and they cannot track the progress of each document systematically. It is also very difficult for them to schedule each of the client's projects, which sometimes results in them not be able to meet the deadlines of the project. Lastly, the use of many files and sheets of paper results in the high cost of paper printing and is not very good for the environment because currently all the documents are presented in hard copies. To overcome the problems that have been given earlier, a new smart office management system must be developed. This system will be able to, firstly, always use available cloud service that is running all the time. Secondly, it will use fault-tolerant cloud model from our previous research. Thirdly, employees can submit and store documents online, which will enable them to manage documents and projects faster than ever before. And lastly, they will be able to improve communication between the employees, since now employees can link the documents online instead of them finding the documents manually. So now, let us see how the system will look like. So, we are right now in the Smart Office Management's homepage. It's called Pejabatku. So from here, we can go to sign in, which will take us to the sign in page. So here we can choose the company that we want to log into, and we fill the details of the username and password, like so. So now we are taken to the dashboard. In the dashboard, we will be able to see directly how many documents are in progress, how many documents that are needed to work on, and how many documents are done. So from here, we can go to the Documents tab, and now the user can see all the documents that are registered in this company. So as we can see that there are 11 documents so far. We can search by either by ID, date, or the text inside. So for example, we want to search for business model canvas, so we can type in exactly that. So now we can see that this business model canvas is the one filtered out. We can also search by the date. So for example, I want the date of 11/08. So now we can search by that time. So as you can see, we are filtered by the time, like this. So now let us see a document. So let's go to this document, H2A copyright. We can now be able to download the document upload the document, upload a new version of the document, or edit the details. So we can now edit the details. Now we're taken to the update page where we can update the title, the type, the client name, and the status. So now I'm going to change it to in progress. Let's update this. Now it will return successfully updated, and now we can go back to upload the new version of the document. I'm going to choose this PDF. Now we can click the upload button, and now we should be able to see the preview of that document right here. So this is the documents module, which provides a starting point to the smart office management. However, we have many other modules that we plan to work on to be able to improve the office management system. For example, attendance, task delegation, and teams. There are so many advantages of the system, such as, firstly, they are environmentally friendly because they will reduce the usage of paper. Secondly, every employee now can access the document anywhere, anytime, in any device. Lastly, with our cloud fault-tolerant environment that was previously developed, the system will be self-sustainable and always be available. So we have partnered with H2A Consultant Services for the development of the system and has signed a letter of intent. H2A is actively guiding us in providing resources and ideas to make the system as efficient as possible. There are also some publications that this system will be based on, which are shown here. Lastly, since the system is designed to be a horizontal system, it is capable of supporting many other SMEs that are facing similar problems as H2A. We hope that in the near future, this smart office management system is able to ease office management in SMEs, especially in H2A, and make processing of documents as efficient and as timely as possible. Thank you for watching.